channel. So for today's video, yes, today is ITZY Showcase in Manila and I'm really excited. Ang kasama ko ngayon sa concert na to ay ang aking sister. So this is our first concert together. Concert ba to sa showcase? Ano kami nakaiba? Hindi ko rin alam pero sobrang excited na ako. Kasama namin ang parents namin kasi susunduin namin siya sa dorm, sa condo muna sa Valenzuela and then sa may Araneta hello, and then sa Araneta hello again, and then sa Araneta na kami magla-lunch kasi hindi siya every week umuuwi. Sunday lang yung araw na nakita namin siya kahit minsan hindi ako sumasama sa pag anyways. Hi. So mag-hi ka kay Bea.
Hi Bea. I'm so excited right now. Oh, naman si Bea. Mag-ano kayo? Wow. Beep beep.
Hey, hey, hey.
Tapos na.
Magla-lunch mama kami at tayo kasama ka parents ko. Late pa rin, so
Ano size na?
Yeah. 10 seconds lang. Mag-decide sa Twitter. Ate Colleen! Kalagay ko na dito. Sorry.
nakahanap po kami ng bagong friends. Friends! Hi!
Uy, nangunguha kami ng bata.
Uy, sige pag ikaw nahanap. Tingin sila vlogger yan! Oh my God! Nakiki-vlog lang din ako. Wow! VIP! Oh, naiyak dito niya. Eh, asaya ko for him! 4:45 na. Ayaw pa kami papasukin. Hindi ako papakita. Vlog to vlog! Wala ko naman eh. Go girls! Lapit ng girl! Ayan na!
Mas malakas pa dyan! It's it! Wow! Palakpakan natin ang mga sarili natin kasi hot na hot talaga! Umpisa pa lang ang lakas na ng energy natin lahat. My gosh! Sino ba dito ang mga galing pa sa ibang lugar at talagang dumayo? Yan! Nasa na mga Taga-Luzon? Taga-Luzon! Eh, hindi Metro Manila ha, yung mga tipong Northern Luzon! Northern Luzon! Mga taga-Visayas! Saan? Saan sa Visayas? Iloilo? Surigao? Mindanao ata. Saan ang mga taga-Mindanao? How about our foreign friends, foreign Minties from all over the world? Hi. Welcome to the The traffic is kind of bad, but we're good, so you're gonna enjoy. Alright guys, kamusta naman po ang performance ng ITZY? First, grabe, no, first 2 songs pa lang yan. Quote-unquote. Parang mahina pa eh. Are you guys ready to see ITZY once again? Welcome back on stage, ITZY! Why don't you guys greet your fans? So we're very happy to meet you all tonight. And I heard that you guys even prepared Filipino greetings for you. So, how about we hear from each member, alright? Filipino fans here in Manila.
여러분 너무 빨리 오고 싶었어요. 여러분도 우리 ITZY 보고 싶으셨나요? We really wanted to come and see you guys. Did you guys want to see us? 저희 ITZY가 마닐라는 처음 오는 건데 이렇게 크게 환영해 주셔서 너무너무 감동이에요. Although it's our first time here in Manila, it's so touching to see your big welcome for us. 너무 커서 저희가 무대할 때 너무 신나게 할 수 있었던 것 같아요. Your screams were so loud that when we were performing, we had so much fun. 사랑만. 오늘 열심히 할 테니까 우리 예쁜 추억 많이 만들었으면 좋겠어요. 감사합니다. We will do our best to hope we make beautiful memories together. Thank you guys so much.
Guys, I posted a lot of showcases.
Actually, for the script, I was supposed to say that you guys aren't loud enough, but I think you guys are actually quite loud enough. I don't think we'll have to practice for that. Okay, so how about but just in case. Can we hear people on the second floor? Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys. Actually, the atmosphere is really...
What do you want to see? For ITZY, guys. Thank you.
Alright, so I'm sure that everyone is expecting a lot. We will now officially move on to our next segment. Yeji, please introduce the next segment for us.
여러분들이 궁금한 것들을 저희 있지가 들어드리는 시간인데요.
So for this segment, we're going to answer your questions.
제가 퀘스천 하면 여러분들이 있지라고 크게 외쳐주시면 됩니다.
So when I say question, you guys have to answer back ITZY.
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Question.
How about one more time? A bit louder maybe. One more time.
1, 2, 3. Question.
Alright, so for our first segment, it's called Question Eddie. There you go. We have collected questions, of course, right? Before today's event. So, to all of many fans, ang dami nagpadala ng mga questions at nag-participate. So, let's see what kind of questions came in. Show us the first question.
Hi, ITZY.
Wow!
Hi. Welcome to the Philippines. Since it's almost holiday season, my question for you is,
later.
what is your favorite Christmas song? Can you sing a bit for us?
Ayan, so the first question is related to Christmas. But as you know, Christmas in Manila, we don't have snow. It's kind of hot. So we prepared something for all of us to feel, di ba? Maramdaman naman ang Christmas vibes. So please wear these so that we will be in the Christmas spirit. Yeah. Yan, para ramdam na ramdam natin ang Pasko.
Oh my God!
Actually, aminin natin, let us be real, sila talaga ang pamasko natin eh, tama ba? Sila talaga. Thank you po, Manong. Thank you po, Ninong. Ayan. Ready na ba tayo?
Yes.
Napaka-cute naman. Are you guys ready? Alright, so for our first question, as the fan have asked earlier, if you guys have a favorite Christmas song, can you guys sing a bit for us? So, yeah.
There are lots of Christmas carols that I really like. But I would like to choose Santa Tell Me from Ariana Grande. Because I thought most of everyone here might know that song, so it might be a friendly. Do you guys know that song?
Sample! 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 Sample!
Santa tell me, don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year.
So nice! Up next, Cheryl.
Yes, baby girl!
저는 All I Want for Christmas is You인데요. Do you know this song?
저는 크리스마스 하면 이 노래가 제일 먼저 생각나더라고요. So for me, it's All I Want for Christmas is You. This is the song that really first comes to my mind when we think about Christmas songs.
그러면 짧게 한 소절 불러보겠습니다.
Okay, then I'll sing a bit for you guys.
All I want for Christmas is you.
Buhay ka pa, Besh? Buhay ka pa? Ready? Ready? Wow! Thank you so much, Cheryl. That's so cute. How about you, Reggie?
저도 리아랑 같이 산타 텔미 굉장히 좋아하는데요.
So like Leah, I really like Santa Tell Me as well.
왜냐면 워낙 유명하잖아요. 그래서 이 노래를 들었을 때 아 크리스마스가 왔구나를 좀 느끼는 것 같아요.
Not only is it really popular, but when you listen to the song, you really feel like Christmas is truly here.
Sample! Sample!
Sample! Sample! Sample!
Santa tell me if
sa aming si member Yuji.
Do you guys know the song Sia's Snowman? I think it's a little bit sad, but it's very Christmas, so I like this song. Oh, cry snowman, away from me. If you can't catch your tears, if you can't catch me, darling. If you can't catch me, darling.
And of course, last but not the least, Yuna. Ay, may pagtayo, may pagtayo.
제가 어렸을 때 이 노래를 많이 들어서인지 지금 가장 크리스마스 캐롤 하면 제일 기억나는 노래인 것 같아요. Maybe it's because I've been listening to it a lot ever since I was young, so when you say Christmas Carol, this is the song that comes to my mind.
Well, thank you so much to the girl who asked that question. Tuloy na pasample natin ang NC, di ba? Thank you so much, ladies. Now, let's move on to our next question. Show us the question, please.
Hello, Itzy. My name is Catherine Limpas. And my question for you is, if you weren't a K-pop idol or a member of ITZY, what would you be? ITZY, fighting!
Alright, so the question is, if you are not a member of ITZY or if you're not a K-pop idol, what would you be? Of course, we'd like to hear from everyone, but Leah, what do you think you would be? Yes.
I think I would probably be in college or university because my age, I'm turning 21 now. And these other two are turning 20 now. Yeah, and I'd like to try some part-time jobs because I've never actually got a chance to try any of them.
What kind of part-time jobs do you think you'll be doing?
I've always wanted to work in a cinema.
Cinema?
Yeah, I heard, I don't know here, but in Korea, I heard that there's lots of privilege if you work in a cinema. Yeah, so.
Alright, thank you so much for that. Up next, Cherio. What do you think?
저는 워낙 어렸을 때부터 아이돌 가수가 꿈이어가지고 다른 직업은 생각해본 적이 없는데요.
Well, actually, ever since I was a child, I only really wanted to become an idol, so I never really thought about it.
제가 드라마를 너무너무 좋아해가지고 나중에 도전해보고 싶은 마음이 있는데 아이돌이 아니었다면 아마 배우를 하지 않았을까 합니다.
So because I really like watching dramas, it's in my plan, so if ever I was not an idol, maybe I would be an actress.
Wow! Sino ang gusto mo manood si Cherio? Sa TV at movies! Yan! Thank you! Up next, Ryujin, how about you?
저도 아마 나이대가 되어서 대학생이 되어 있지 않을까 싶습니다.
Well, also for me, because of my age, I think I would probably be a student in university.
Okay, what course would you be taking? Do you think?
아무래도 실용적인 경제학과나 회계학과나 경영학과 했을 것 같습니다.
Well, I think for it, efficient course, which is like business, accountant, or finance.
Sino ang ating course? Ayan! O, praktikalan to, mga bears! Alright, thank you so much! How about you, Yeji?
저도 어렸을 때부터 가수가 꿈이었는데요.
So for me also, being an idol was really my dream.
아마 이쪽하고 관련된 직업을 하지 않았을까 싶어요. 뭐 댄서라든지 아니면은 음악과 관련된 일을 하고 있었을 것 같은데 아마 미찌를 보기 위해서 최대한의 끝까지 노력은 했었을 것 같아요. 가수가 되기 위해.
So if not an idol, I would probably be still doing a job related to music, like maybe a dancer. But for our mentees, I think I would still be doing my best to become a singer in New York.
Bagay na bagay naman talaga yan. And of course, lastly, Yuna.
저는 maybe announcer.
Announcer, okay.
Thank you for coming, Itzy Premium Showcase. To our showcase. mahal kita.
Wow! Thank you so much, guys. But, aren't we happy? Hindi ba tayo masaya na pinili nilang maging idol?
To ask Itzy a question. Do you already have some preparations for us, Mitzi, for the year 2020, and what are they? Thank you.
Wow! What do you think about that, Leah?
First of all, I would like to say thank you. Thank you so much. At first I actually thought that it was me. I think we actually look alike. We have dark eyebrows.
I wonder if she's here. Is the girl here? Where? Where is she?
There?
Raise your hand. Where are you?
I see you earlier at the
Show
event.
yourself.
Oh, that's really Thank you.
Oh my God. All right. Thank you for the question. And you made all of them smile. Thank you. I heard that Itzy has a special talent. And that is guessing the song after hearing for 1 second. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Kasi parang si Cherry yung sumagot. Are you guys confident?
Yes.
Are you sure? Then we will see who will be the best in this game. For our next segment, it's Itzy's 1 second intro quiz! You may put your mics there first. So basically, what we're gonna do is Itzy will listen to different songs for just 1 second. At ang unang makakasagot, kailangan pumunta dito. Ay, may kasama yan. Kailangan pumunta dito. They have to get the crown, wear the crown, and let us know the title of the song and the artist or the group that performed. But hindi lang yan. They will only get the perfect score if they sing and dance to the song. Are you guys ready? Okay, let me tell you girls. For example, one member performs the answer. If you know the song as well, you can dance. I'll give you 0.5. Okay. Ako ang bata. Are you guys ready?
Yes, we're ready.
Mitzi's, are you ready? Yes! Alright, so... What? 잠시만요. Music! Oh, wait lang. Saglit lang. No coaching, ah. Pag coaching, papabarangay ko. Okay. 1 second, no coaching. Music, cue. mahina ako sa math eh. Okay, next song, music. Cue. Okay, answer.
나를 알아. 그거 몰라? 하니.
What's the answer? What? Rokoching! 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 What's the answer? What is the title? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and... Okay, now you have to dance. Dance cue. Umabot si Yuna in fairness. She made it. Okay, 1 point for Yuna and 0.5 for Cheryl and Eugene. Yes, 0.5, yes. Kuya, counting nga, pakikompute na lang to. Eugene, pakikompute, sarot. Okay, next song. Music cue. Yes, Eddie. Rokoching! Dance cue! More? More. Don't worry. Alright. Sabihin lang ko sino na nangunguna. And next music cue. One more chance. Music cue. Sino na coaching dyan?
AOA 선배님 날 보러 와요?
AOA's come and see me? AOA's come and see me?
Come and sing it. Yes?
AOA's come and see is correct! Now you have to dance.
Do you know the dance? 이거 every new song.
Dance! If you don't know the dance, the choreography, you can do like freestyle.
Really?
Yeah. Let's go, Daniel! Dance cue! Palaban niya nga, palaban! Palaban! Correct. Next song, please. Music cue.
BTS, the name's Boy With Love.
Next song, please. Music cue. More songs. Okay? Next, music cue.
It's my favorite song. It's Rhythm of the Umpaupa.
Yeah. Now we have to dance. Ay, naka-stand na siya doon, oh. Malaman siya ate, oh. Dance cue. Okay, that should be good. You want to dance more?
Pass.
You want to dance more? Don't worry, we have more chances to dance. We have 2 more songs left. Ano sabi niya? Hindi mo rin narinig? Okay. Sige, move on. Next song. Ito. Music.
Where is Rita?
Cue.
She knows this.
Small bite together.
Correct. Is it correct? Alright. Dance cue. Yeah! Alright, now, we're down to our last song, okay? Ano talaga may natali ng score, guys? Hindi ako natali ng score, promise! Di ko alam. Alright, are you guys ready? Last song. Music, cue.
Blackpink 선배님의 Kill Me Slow.
Love is correct. Now, dance. Ang sasayaw siya naka-corona. Okay. Dance. Okay, no? Dance.
오늘 잘하시는
Okay, you have no choice. The punishment is from here up to the other side of the stage, you have to do a catwalk. And then, let's see if that you're done. In the left side, you have to do a cute pose. In the middle, you have to do a sexy pose. And at the end, you have to do a commercial fairy. Like parang, ano ba yun? Basta yung commercial fairy daw. Basta, pati-patihan, ganun. Ganda-ganda sa sarili, ganyan. Okay, nakaintindihan kami, di ba? Alright, so are you ready? Yaji? From here, from here. Okay, from here. Okay. Do this for the fans, okay? You have to do it for them, okay? Alright, tatabi kami. And
이쪽 갔다가 이렇게 오면서 오다가
cute, sexy, and then ganda-ganda sa sarili. GGSS. Okay? Alright, but you have to like walk like RuPaul's Drag Race.
Capture this.
Hindi ko alam yan, no? Alright, and 3, 2, and cute. Cute. Sexy. Alright. Actually, the winner, the one who got the most questions correct is Cheon. So how do you feel about winning or getting the most correct answers, and how do you feel about the game? Okay, thank you so much. And even if you guys are just dancing shortly, you really gave, great and like 1,000% performance, di ba? Performance level kahit talagang game lang to. And I heard that you guys prepared more performances for us, correct? And this will be different style performances, right? Yes? So guys, are you ready to see Etsy perform more for you? Kailangan pa ng mas energy. Are you guys ready to see Etsy perform more for you? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, film Etsy. Let's give it up for Etsy!
Let's get it.
super favorite, si Janyo! And last but not the least, super duper favorite, si Yuna! Sino ang super duper favorite ang ITZY? Wow, let's go on stage, ITZY!
Wala ko change out.
Yeah!
Okay, mamaya na ulit.
That the fans want for ITZY to challenge. So, pag hindi na nakuha yan, they have a penalty. Again, penalty na naman sila. And, so are you guys ready? ITZY, are you ready?
Yes.
Midseas, are you ready? Yes! Alright, we can't wait to see what the next mission will be. So, all in us, roulette, let's roll! Ano kaya? Ano kaya? Express with your body lovely. Alright, so express with your body. Ay, magugustuhan nyo to, guys. Hi. Express with your body lovely is basically a game where you have to guess the word by charades. Where, you know, charades, like moving with your body, so you have to do it in a lovely way. So it's basically charades pero relay. Yun. Relay charades. Gets niyo ba? So, we will start. All of the members will face that side. And then the word will be here. And then the member in front of me, wait, okay. I'm not that done kasi, no? Okay, before we begin, please wear the Toki headbands. Yan.
There's lots of candy and cuteness in today's
Bakit mo sila nagsuot? Ang cute! Diba? Napaka-cute. Pag ako nakakainis. So, again, the first person will read the word and then relay ng charade. You can only get 7 points out of 10 and then you will win, okay? If you don't get 7 out of 10, I'm sorry, you will do the penalty. And then you can only pass 3 times. Okay? Alright. So, the most important is the person in front, but you will have to like, ganyan. Alright! Gets the sis? Okay. I'm ready! Alright! Turn around first, turn around. And then I will tap you. Yeah, I will tap you. Yes. Okay. First, so pakita mo na sa audience, ha? Pakita mo na sa audience, Ben. Hindi yan, yung first word. Baka ba naman? First word sa audience and sa members. Yan. And go!
No! Sorry.
Laban. Ay, bawal na salita. Ay, sorry. No talking. No sound. You can do it. Okay. Yuna, what's the answer?
Cat? I don't know.
What? Hindi ka. Tapos ka na, Ben. Puss in Boots is correct! Ito naman eh, tapos na siya eh. Okay. 1 point. You got it? Hindi mo natin kanina, no? Okay. Turn around. Audience first. 1 point sila. Audience first. And go! Dito na.
예지?
No sound!
예지?
Voice, no voice! Okay. Yes. Next one.
Next.
Audience first. And... Ay! You can pass if you don't know. Yes, Leah, answer. What? Rap is
뭐야?
it's hip hop. Okay. Turn around. Audience first. And okay, girl.
오케이.
Two points na ba sila? 2 points na ba? Hoy, makali nyo ha. Kaya mo yan. No mouthing of words. Yes, Gigi. Yes.
cheerleader.
3 points na ba? 3 points na ba? Uy, harap mo na. Okay, harap na nila.
Gaya na!
너 언니?
No talking.
목도리 도마뱀.
Correct!
그래요?
Okay. Don't look at the screen, just look at the ball.
네.
Okay, next. No talking. Yes. Answer. Aladdin.
No, it's practice. No.
Yes, Aladdin.
Yes.
You're there. Yes. Yuna, inako mo yan. Genie.
세 글자라면?
아니,
세 글자.
Three words.
와우.
Three wishes.
Three wishes. 세 글자. Three words. I believe. Okay. That's stupid.
Next.
I'm not stupid. Stupid. Start the clock. Genie. Jasmine. fun.
Ay, bilang naman kayo, stop! Ako ba talaga mabibili, ha? Okay. Bili na ba? No talking, no talking. Yes, Leah, answer is... Wait, no coaching, no coaching. Yes? Hulk is correct.
I didn't
Hindi
know.
niya alam. Okay, alam?
Mimi!
Yes, you.
Yes! Yes! Yuna!
Lord. No talking, no talking. No conversations. Why are you giving the instructions? You're the one who's supposed to yes.
I don't know. But it's your fault.
Elsa! Elsa! Ilang points na? Ilan na? 7? 7! They got 7 points! Congratulations! Alright! At dahil naka 7 points sila, walang penalty.
I had a dream.
What? You wanna do the penalty? Okay.
No.
No.
I want to be your Elsa. It's my dream.
You look like Elsa! You wanna see let it go?
Let it go. Can't stop it anymore.
Guys, okay. Supposedly, if you didn't get the correct 7 answers, you're supposed to do a penalty, which is to give your fans hearts. Thank you. But I'm sure you guys would still want to see that, right? So would it be okay if you would still give them the hearts, you know?
Yes.
Okay, alright. Let's go back to your position. And how about we give them 5 hearts per person? So 5 hearts, 5 hearts, 5 hearts, 5 hearts, 5 hearts. Total of 25 hearts. Okay, you got it. Let's start with Yaji. Egyo.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Let's move on to Leah. 1,
우선 생각보다 쉽네요. It's too easy. Actually, it's actually easier than expected.
Easy.
Really bad though.
Okay, so I'll make it hard for you. No joke, I'm just kidding. Alright, so we've done the games corner together, and I heard that you have another performance that you have prepared. Ready na ba kayo dyan, guys? Can you tell us about it, Eugene?
The next stage is Yummy Cherry. Next stage is Cherry. Are you guys ready?
Once again, let's all enjoy it together. Give it up for Itzy! Unfortunately, it's time to wrap up our first ITZY showcase. So how was your time with us today, lady?
저희가 마닐라에 처음 왔다고 했잖아요. 근데 정말 저희 뜨겁게 맞이해주니까 와우.
해왔던 걸 여러분께서 알아주시고 우리를 좋아해주시고 응원해주신다는 게
안녕하세요, 이지에서
실감이 나고요.
Actually, we didn't even get to take a photo yet, but I would like to ask the girls, how do you feel about that video that the Philippine Menzies prepared for you?
It's very touching. It's really touching. So thank you.
I just want to say that we're really thankful to have you guys. And of course, everyone, every Mitzi, everywhere, like anywhere you guys, wherever you guys are, you guys each one of you guys are important to us. But Manila, Mitzi, you guys definitely made such a strong impression to us. And thank you so much. Thank you so much for giving us this great energy.
Very touching.
It's really touching tonight because of all your hot, warm cheers and also the video. It's really touching.
그러니까 저희 여기 자주 올게요.
So we will come often here in the Philippines.
I don't know English very well, but I love you guys and thank you for this video.
Thank you so much, Lia.
And I just wanted to say,
Oh guys, kasi sabihin si Lia, quiet na, quiet.
actually before we did this, we had the high touch event with our fans.
근데 그때도 Happy Birthday라는 말을 되게 많이 해주셨어요.
Well, also during the high touch event, a lot of you guys greeted me happy birthday.
근데 제가 태어나서 이렇게 Happy Birthday to라는 말을 이렇게 많이 들어본 적 처음인 것 같아요.
And I think today's the first time of being greeted as so many times happy birthday today.
저한테 이런 언니들도 그렇고 미치도 저한테 이런 사람들이 생겼다는 게요. 고마워요.
I'm just so grateful that I have been given people like my members and also you guys, Mitzi.
Thank you so much and happy birthday, honey. Thank you. Thank you guys for viewing that. And shall we proceed for the photo with the fans? Alright, let's go.
Okay?
She's so crying. Guys, galingan nyo. Nasa mga slogan, mga banners, mga hearts. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3.
but why are you?
1, 2, 3. Thank you. 조심히 가요. Go home safely, guys. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.
Hey, hey, hey! Ay! Tapos na po ang concert! Yeah! Kamusta naman ang first concert?
Wow, happy.
Happy. Maririnig niyo po yung sigaw niya sa mga fancams kong sobrang,
Alog.
stable.
Yung mga sigaw ko, oh my God!
Kasi,
Oh my God!
Ito nga po yung first girl group K-pop concert na naatiran ko. Tapos first concert niya. Sobrang ibang-iba yung energy pa girl group kasi puro fanboys. Woohoo! Mimiya! Oh yeah! So, masaya siya mga besyo. Oh yeah! So, ayun po. Anyways, ihatid namin siya sa condo kasi may pasok siya bukas. Until Tuesday na lang naman siya. So, medyo back to normal lang 2 days lang. Mas ayun, sobrang saya si Cherry yung cute! Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you, Mami, sa pagsama. And then, si Daddy nagbabayad ng parking fee. Thank you, Daddy. Bye! See you guys next year! Sana ilibre ako ni Mami ng Winner Cross Store in Manila kasi birthday ko yan! Me? Lilibre mo ako na? No. Bye. Mimi, oh yeah.